Hi friends, myself Prerna Goyal, a motivational speaker and a language trainer. Today I am with you my topic introduction. Friends, generally we discuss about introduction means formal introduction and informal introduction. Formal introduction means with strangers where you have to speak limited with them so that you don't get any harmful effect of giving your knowledge with them. And now informal introduction means you know these people and you can share your close things with them as per their demand or as per your comfort zone. And now it comes to the official intro of schools and colleges. So now I understand friends that in the schools especially they take introductions of the candidates. So first introduction they take by their documents, by their previous classes or the school's label, that which school they have come from or what was their standard over there. Also they take their interview to judge their inter skills, that what kind of person this child is. Now it comes to the college introduction. Firstly, it also depends on your degrees and your kind of merit list. Accordingly, they want to give you college. But secondly, it also depends on your inter skills. When you go and talk to those people, so then they understand what kind of person you are, whether you are internally sound or serious to study or not. So on that it depends whether they will give you admission or not. Now it comes to the professional interview or introductions. You see friends, when we go for professional interviews, firstly they try to read our documents to judge our personality, what is our present status as per our documents. But later on they also want to call you on interview, and it is, as you understand now, to know you internally what you are. So if you are only good in the documents, maybe you are achieving gold medalist or many rewards or prizes or something, but in interview if you fail to prove yourself what you are, it means they will not give you that job because you are not having that caliber what they are looking for. Now it comes to matchmaking interviews friends, it is also a very funny thing that what we can judge in some time. So how we should decide who can be our good partner. So I think our first matchmaking in the arranged marriages system is our biodata and our mediators, which pass our news from one family to another family about us, that what we are and what we are not. But I think when people meet personally in kind of arranged marriages also, after looking at their biodatas, then they can know internally to each other what type of person we are going to be engaged with. And now it also comes to love marriages kind of introduction. I think it is very good way of meeting someone for some meetings to judge a person, male or female, either one, to know the adjustments of those people and to know them mentally what kind of person they are. Now friends, it comes to the general introduction when maybe people know us by name only or by profession only, then they want to meet us. So how do they judge us? They judge us from our personality. It is external personality, means how do we look, how do we feel, how do we dress up, or whether we are up to date or not. But later on when they meet us, so through our approach, the way of communication we have with them, and through our mentality, what kind of positivity or negativity we hold for certain culture or community or anything, and then through our profession as well, they try to judge us. Are you really professional, as a holding professionalism in your mind, means ethics of profession in your mind or not. So I think our social status is judged by the people, and that is our general introduction. Now friends, I want to tell you, recently I saw an interview of IPS officer Manoj Sharma ji and his wife Shraddha ji. It was really very impressive to judge. Even I saw their movie 12th Fail, and it was really same thing what they expressed in their talks, and that is called personality. And I hope they hold these personalities in their careers and in their personal lives as well forever. And later I also want to tell that in 1979 I met King of Jodhpur, Raja Gaj Singh ji, and his wife Queen Hemlata ji. At that time, my husband was working in Commonwealth of Dominica as a UN official, and Raja Gaj Singh ji were appointed in Trinidad and Tobago as ambassador. So they were so nice. I happened to invite them at my place for dinner, and when they came in my place, I was highly delighted by their presence in my home. But I was having little inhibition, as I had never experienced such thing to invite such a status people for me. I was very young at that time, only 19 years old. But I was highly impressed by Hemlata ji. Even when I was in kitchen, she helped me in kitchen, and she told me many common things as a common person. So I really can tell you that Hemlata ji is very humble lady, and also I met her after few years. We went to visit their Mahal, Umaid Bhavan, and also there we met Raja ji and Rani Hemlata ji, and they were very humble still. I really bless them, and I always expect for their good happy life and remain just like this, humble and kind to the all general public. Now friends, I want to tell you, sometimes our country and culture or place is labeled by some people, and then people think we are like that. But how do they understand what we are, or what is our country, what is our culture, what is our place? Only it is described by the medias, maybe by the movies, or maybe by the WhatsApp news, or maybe by different kind of social medias or books also. Sometimes people think it is only this is the life of those countries. But I think visiting places, meeting people and knowing them deeply only gives us knowledge that what they are, how they are, and what is their real culture. Otherwise, we are always in this myth that everyone says our culture is better than the other people culture. But I think this is not true. Every culture is good, every person is good, every religion is good, every country is good, as per my experience, as I have lived abroad also for nearly 15 years, and in India also, in different places, in different experiences I am having, but I never found people are wrong. It is only some particular people can have their different mentality or different presentation in the society, but most are good and everybody is angel everywhere. Thanks, friends. Now friends, I would like to say, and I would also like to say, that our qualities are our introduction. Nothing is our introduction. We are not begging someone to know us what we are not. People should judge us by our personality, means by meeting us, by knowing us. Thanks, friends. Now I would like to say, if you are convinced by my ideas of these kind of introductions or humbleness of people, so you can call me, and my number is 9958427005, and my website is spokenenglishgzb.com. Thanks a lot.